What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are currently in the shop. As you can tell, we rearranged a little bit. That shelf was there and vice versa. But today we're going to be working on my 98. Cole's truck is currently sitting outside, but I want to get my truck finished up before I get his pulled in. We're going to be doing header wrap and, well, that cab light that's got the bird poop on it. The bulb is going dim, so I'm guessing it's getting burnt out. But I got a new box of like 20 lights over here. Right here. So we're gonna get that changed, get the headers wrapped, and then also I have to do some fiberglass patch on this giant tank for a local farmer. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but there's a crack here that just kind of runs all the way down. So what we're gonna do is just sand it with 80 grit, mix up a little bit of fiberglass resin, throw it on there, and throw a little bit of cloth over top, and hopefully it will hold. This tank is fiberglass already, so I wouldn't see why it wouldn't. But a lot of stuff going on here at the farm. We have been cutting hay. I'm hoping this rain shower will pass. It is very, very dark out here. As you can tell, I mean, pretty sky over there, very dark sky over there. So I'm hoping that passes us and the hay doesn't get wet. But we're gonna continue slaying away here on the 98 project. But like I said, we're gonna get the headers wrapped and hopefully get a little bit of work done on that giant tank up there. But I'll bring you guys back once I get my tools and everything put together and I start on it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, we are back. I got that header wrap out. Here it is. My girlfriend's on the camera, so here's what it'll look like. I don't know how you guys will be able to see that down in there. Right in here. I got this whole section wrapped. It's probably 12 inches. I didn't worry about the duals down here. I might just cut a little strand to kind of wrap it around them, but you mainly wrap your headers when they're off, so it's a heck of a lot easier. I didn't do that, but the way you want to start, or how I start header wrap, is when I first start, my end, make sure you got all this frilly junk off, but I'll end up cutting that off. But you fold it over and tuck it, and then if my finger's the header, you just start there and then just wrap it and then hold it tight. So, and then once you get to the end, you just put your metal zip ties, what I call them, your metal zip ties on, and then you'll go back and put one on at the beginning. So I'm gonna get this side wrapped real quick and then I'll bring you guys back, or she can bring you guys back, and we'll show you the finished product. Okay guys, as you've seen from that time lapse or whatever, I got that all wrapped. Did a little bit more maintenance on this side. I couldn't really get in there and wrap those two middle ones that I did on the other side, but I got this main beam one wrapped. So I had this heat sheathing. I don't know where I can set my camera, or my phone, but it's this little piece right in here that I'm touching. Basically wraps around spark plugs or anything that you don't want to get super hot. So I went ahead and wrapped it, put a little zip ties on them. I'd prefer black zip ties because they hide a little bit better, but all white is all I had. But we got it all wrapped up, looks good. Headers are wrapped. I'm gonna go ahead and change this bulb up there real quick. I can turn them on. I don't know if you guys will be able to see them though. Yeah, I guess you can. That one is just real dim. Still glows, but real dim. I mean, the bird poop's covering it up a little bit, but we're gonna go ahead and get that one changed out real quick, and then I'll bring you guys back. Well, that was a quick fix. All I did is took that piece off and I jiggled that bulb, and it was just loose. So now I have 20 LEDs. So if they ever go out, I have plenty to change them with. But I hope you guys, enjoyed this little video. I know there wasn't much content. Like I said, I've been extremely busy in the hayfield. We're gonna get over and work on the 79 here shortly. I gotta wrap the headers, so I'll be doing another video of that on the 79. I'm gonna have Cole's truck. I'll show you it real quick. Excuse the air compressor, it's extremely loud. But there's Cole's truck. We might be putting a new bed on it for him. It does have some rust in behind here, and then cab corners, rocker panels, and he's going to change the door handle on the driver's side, and then we're going to do pins and bushings and everything. Not sure what we're going to do, if we're going to paint the fender flares, if we're not going to paint the fender flares, if we're going to color match the mirrors. Not 100% sure yet, but when that time comes, I'll definitely keep you guys up to date. Like I said, we might be getting a new bed, but that's it for now, guys. I don't know what else to say. I got to get over and get the 79 done, but I'm trying to find time between work, the hayfield, trying to get this in or get it finished. Now that it is finished, I can mark this one off. Trying to get this done, this stuff painted. I just don't have enough time, but I promise you I'm going to get over there and get the 79 done, so then we can get it back here, get the flatbed pulled off of it, get it coated, or the frame coated, and get everything done. So that being said, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. If you're new, smash that subscribe button, keep the channel growing. I do have a couple of projects I am trying to work on once I get the 79 finished and get this thing finished, but I'll probably announce that a little bit later. Go to my store, buy a decal, support the channel so we can keep growing. And yeah, so like I said, if you're new, smash that subscribe button. I want to thank you guys for stopping in today. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man, and I will catch you guys in the next one.